In the last two videos, we learned how to collect the elements from Revit and how can extract parameters from Revit by using Dynamo. Today we will do some exercises. Today's task is we need to enter part numbers for each duct and duct fittings. That means if you look at here in the parameter properties, mark values empty. Now for each duct we need to enter a part number. I mean for first duct it will be 1, then 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, something like that. Every duct and duct fitting needs unique part number in mark property. Okay, let's see how can we do that. First, first we need to select all ducts and duct fittings. For that, the first node will be category. Categories. We will select duct. Next, I will duplicate it. For duplicate, just you can press Control and you can drag it. Then duct fittings. Now I will select all elements of category. All elements of category. Connect to category, the same category. Now there are 40 duct fittings, then there are 54 duct pieces in the entire model. Then we have to join these two lists. How can we join? List dot join. If we plus here, we will get another list, then we can join it. So the combined join list will be 94. Then we need to set parameter by value, set parameter by name. Okay, what are the elements? List. Then what is the parameter name? For that we need to string. Correct. String. What is a string? Mark. Then what is the value? This is the question. Time being, just I will give 1. What will happen now? When we connect, sorry, there is some, okay, I will remove this code block, then I will use string because the value should be string, that's why. Okay, 94, it's already, when you check now, mark value of each duct and duct fitting will be 1. Here is the mark will be 1. All duct and duct fittings mark value is 1. But we don't want like this. We need continuous numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, something like that. So what we will remove this now. Then I will teach you another node range. Range. To this range, we need to provide start number, end number, and step number. Start number will be 1. Then for end number, what will be the end number? The total number of duct and duct fittings. So we need to take the count of this. For that, count list. Remove this to little bit. Count. What is the count? It's 94. The n number will be this one. Then what will be the step? That will be again 1, because we need 1, 2, 3, 4, something like that, continuous number. So here you can see there is 94, up to 94 numbers. And then again we have to convert this. Now this is an integer. Now you have to convert from integer to string. For the to string from object. This is string. Now just connect the value. Now added separate number. First we will check in mechanical first mode. Let me check. Mark number 1. Check this. 55. Mark number 2. Mark number 56. Mark number 3. Let me check this. Mark number 9. Mark number 60. Hope you understand this video. If you have any doubts, please comment.